Hi there, students. Carrion. Carrion. An uncountable noun. Yeah, I think it's nearly always uncountable. Okay, carrion is dead animals, dead flesh. So the vulture in the thumbnail, is an animal that eats carrion. Yeah, it looks for things that are dead and then eats them. So carrion, dead flesh, carcasses, corpses. So you have a carrion crow. This is a crow that it feeds on dead causes. So carrion, dead flesh, decaying flesh. So, an animal or somebody who eats that flesh. Let's see. I think you could probably just about call somebody carrion. Yeah. I think maybe we might describe the banks as carrion eaters. Yeah, they eat the flesh of the dead and dying, but carrion, the decaying flesh of dead animals. Okay, so yeah, you have, for example, as well, a carrion flower. A carrion flower, it's a small flower, but the smell, it smells like rotting flesh. It's got a really horrible smell, and that's why it's called the carrion flower. I think we have a carrion beetle as well. These are carrion feeders. That was the word I wanted to use for the banks. They're carrion feeders. I think that's very metaphorical though. Okay, so carrion, corpses, dead bodies, roadkill, waiting to be fed on by the vultures. So vultures feed on carrion. Formality. This is quite a literary word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, particularly something maybe poetic or artistic. And then as to origin, it comes from French charogne, meaning carrion, which comes from Latin caro, meaning flesh, the meat. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Carrion.